Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a curved corner table. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with a related rectangle. We can set the width around 500 and the length around 1 meter anyway. Okay, then we have to push the plane up. We have to select this plane for the first step. So then we can select the push and pull. Okay, and then we can push it up with the size or height as we want. For example, I give you example of around 400 millimeter of the height. So then we can make the curve line on the corner with a 2-point arc. Okay, so then we can select on this. We can just select this 2-point arc. Then we can draw from this side, and then we can end to this side and double click, so it will be appear the curve line over there just like this. So then we can make the another curve with a tape measure tool. We can click this tape measure tool with left click, so then we can start click from this bottom or this top. It's depend on you. Okay, so for example we have to start click from this top edge over there, so then we can move the cursor to the bottom position. Then we can make the same level on the end of curve over there. We can just click it to make it same position with the right side of the curve. So then we can select the 2-point arc. Then we can make sure until it appear the magenta color. Okay, we can double click it, so then we can push it to the limit, to the back. You can push the both of this pin to the back. Okay, we have to select this, and we can select a push and bring it to the back until the limit. Okay, and then we can do the same method with the left side. Okay, and after that we can delete it, and we can select it. And then we can offset it inside. Okay, we can offset it inside around 30 millimeter, and then we can push it to the back. Okay, and it's done anyway. So then we can make a group, and we can make the representative material. I suggest you to use synthetic surface. We can select formica laminated light over there. Okay, and it's done anyway. So it is about the basic step or on making corner curve on the table anyway. Okay, for the another variation, maybe you can make the variation on this position by using the rectangle anyway. By using this rectangle, and then we can push it to the another side, and then we can push it to the another side also on this. Okay, and then we can make it group, so then we can adjust the another material over there. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.